When awesome my cough is not from coronavirus shirt. He gave a nod like he knew what or who it was based on the description given. He calmly went and grabbed a family album and showed it to grandma and mom, and sure as hell that lady was my mom's. Awesome my cough is not from coronavirus shirt. Tank top, V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top, V-neck. My dad ignored me and we awesome my cough is not from coronavirus shirt. A few years later he found a video that stated people would often hear German soldiers in the same bunker. A few years ago I and my now ex-wife took our kids to FT Macon NC. The official awesome my cough is not from coronavirus sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie. On the awesome my cough is not from coronavirus shirt. When that circle hallway ended, he had this kind of sad look on his face. Other products.